Just a little leak. No, no, because I don't do a little leak. I do like a whole what's the word I'm looking for? Whole. Veibae, I'm very love you. Can I be your dog? Yeah, a whole squirt. Yeah. Yes, you can be my dog. Dog? Wait, isn't a dog like a friend? Yeah, what's up, dog? It is, right? Dog? Yeah, dog? Yeah. Fuck, I'm kind of hot. I think I gotta take my sweater off, dude. Talking makes me hot. That's dog? Yeah? That's same pronounce. Stop, it's not McDonald's. What? I'm not your dog. Me? Well, sweater? It's a... It's a cute one, but it's really big and fluffy and thick, and it makes me hot. Wouldn't taking my sweater off make me hotter? I had to shake off the crowd. I mean, it was pretty good, but at the same time, I don't know how I felt about that.